You're looking live at gathering clouds on the horizon as viewed by our weather cam atop Carter Mountain. Those clouds are in association with our next winter storm. Hello, I'm 29 First Alert meteorologist Josh Fitzpatrick. Behind me is the top of Wintergreen, where they're going to get some natural snow. Several inches of snow will fall area-wide, and the highest accumulations, of course, will be over the higher elevations of the Blue Ridge Mountains. In that first forecast for your Monday evening, no weather issues whatsoever, I guarantee it. The clouds begin to increase. They'll thicken, they'll lower. Temperatures will fall slowly through the 30s, and we will stay in the 30s all day tomorrow. In fact, we're going to hover right around freezing, and that means it's going to be a wet, slushy snow. Here's your Tuesday first forecast, a first alert weather day for the accumulating snowfall. Already by 8 a.m., some of the first band of snow will begin to arrive midday, afternoon, in the evening. This is when the heaviest snow will fall, with temperatures right around freezing, and that means expect some slushy conditions and some treacherous travel, especially once the snow begins to pepper down and into tomorrow night. Right now, numbers are in the 40s. 29 First Alert Doppler is on the dry side, and we're seeing some sunshine across the I-81 corridor. There is Augusta County and nearby Stanton. But the seedlings of our next storm system is just now taking shape across the lower plain states, the upper Midwest. These two storm systems are going to combine their forces and give us a significant winter storm. And the National Weather Service has issued a winter storm warning for the entire region, officially from 10 a.m. Tuesday through 7 a.m. on Wednesday, for significant snow and some ice. Let's track it now hour by hour. Futurecast shows already by 8 a.m. the first bands of snow coming on up from the southwest. Midday, look at this. It's going to be snowing area-wide at lunchtime. And even on your Tuesday evening, widespread snow. A little sleet may begin to mix in, especially near and south of the James River. And as the snow begins to exit by Wednesday morning by around 8 a.m., it could end as a little bit of some sleet and freezing rain, freezing drizzle. And then we're going to get a break around midday. And then Wednesday evening, here comes the next storm system. But by then, it's going to be just above freezing. So expect mostly a cold rain across central Virginia. The Blue Ridge may have a few hours of ice also for the valley on Wednesday night, but this next system on Wednesday night looks to be primarily a cold rain. So you want to know how much snow. Well, for all of you, we're going to get about 4 to 6 inches of wet snowfall. Locally, there's going to be a band set up somewhere that's going to create 8 inches of snow from tomorrow morning through early on Wednesday. Now, the Blue Ridge Mountains up to 10 inches of snowfall, and near and south of the James River, there's going to be a sharp cutoff, especially south towards Southside Virginia and the Route 460 corridor. This is going to be a heavy wet snow, so some power outages cannot be ruled out. This is going to alter the school schedule. You can see already at the bottom of your screen, schools are closing in preparation for the snow tomorrow. Some ice, especially off to the south, but this is mostly going to be some snowfall, heavy wet snow. For tonight, though, in your 29 First Alert forecast, lows near freezing. It's dry, but tomorrow from the morning hours into the afternoon, snow begins to increase, highs near freezing tomorrow night with snowy conditions, and they may end as a little bit of sleet and freezing rain and drizzle. And then the next system arrives by Wednesday night with mostly a cold rain, and then improving conditions on Thursday and Friday, highs in the 50s on Thursday, 40s on Friday, and the next system by the weekend should bring us mostly a cold rainfall.